Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another daily dash. It's been a while since we've done one. Oh my god, we got a Walmart order for $10 and it's 2 orders though. I got so excited because I was like, hell yeah, $10 order to start off the day, only 4 miles, but it's 2 orders. And one of them delivers to a hotel. Definitely not doing it then. The other one delivers to a house, but man, I got excited because I was like, hell yeah, gonna start off the day with a $10 order. It's not that way though. Doordash doesn't like me right now. And I think what it was, and I gotta give credit to UDM because I just watched this video on this, so I'm just gonna kinda, ooh, look at, there we go. Para showing me that there's actually $9.25 on this order from Walmart. And I need to go south because my whole plan of the day is to actually, yeah, it delivers to a house, so we're chilling. We'll do $8.25, which is actually $9.25. Thank you to the Para app for telling me that it's actually a $9.25 order instead of an $8.25 order. So, for those of you who are new, Para is an app that I am working with, and if you guys haven't yet, click on that link down below in my description. They will give you notifications. Now this is a free app, just saying. Free app that will give you notifications on any time DoorDash tries to hide tips from you. So right now I'm doing an order where they are hiding tips from me. I don't know why they feel that it's necessary to not tell me the entire order, but yeah, so they're basically hiding it from you. So click on that link down below, sign up with Para. You don't have to do the tip transparency if you don't want to. Some people think it'll get you deactivated. I personally don't think it will, and no one's been deactivated yet. So take it with a grain of salt. Also check out the new Armani shades that I got. Yeah, I never pay for actual like expensive sunglasses, and I did. So I'm gonna wear these in every single video and get my money's worth. Anyways, all right, so what we're talking about today is active time dashing. I'm just gonna get right to it. So UDM, Ultimate Driver Man, put out a video yesterday. I watched it, and it was about how people get better orders. And I think this is just a theory. I don't think it's proven, but of course they always are gonna say that they give it to the top dashers. Hang on one sec. There we go. Had to turn on my automatic brightness setting things. Anyway, so I'm actually not going to wear these right now because it's kind of dark. It's about to rain in Reno right now. Today's my day off. It's Saturday. We're doing a show. Hold on, let me get to the topic of the video so people don't get mad because I'm already rambling. I haven't done a daily dash in a while, so I'm a little rusty, guys. I've just been chilling in my room, basically, not doing much DoorDash, but today's my day off. So UDM was talking about how active time dashing is actually what can qualify you for better orders, and I think it makes a lot of sense. I think that's what DoorDash probably uses as an algorithm to know like what people like, you know. So there's the time that you're logged in, of course, and then there's the active time dashing. And if you have a really good active time dashing, DoorDash knows that you're not either cherry picking or multi-apping, and they're going to give you better orders. So I guess today, so far, I've only been logged in for 5 minutes, and we're basically on 4 minutes of active dashing time. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if they give me a good order after this. My whole goal of today is I'm going to Best Buy, which is about 4 miles south, to get, I'm trying to get a cord so I can actually do, because I've been doing a lot more Zoom meetings and stuff. So I want to use my camera for my Zoom meetings. That way you guys get better quality rather than my crappy freaking computer. The computer's just not cutting it. The audio quality and the freaking camera quality are not so good. So I'm gonna try to get something from Best Buy. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm technologically not that smart when it comes to the Zoom stuff. Pretty technologically savvy when it comes to other things, but anyway. So yeah, I think UDM is right. I don't know if he's the one who actually discovered this or who the DoorDash scientist algorithm person is, but I think the more active time you have dashing, I think the more better orders you will get. I don't know, I guess we'll see. But for me, I'm probably like the worst because I I just cherry pick from my hotel basically. So I'm just basically sitting around waiting for Para to tell me that there's a significantly good order that I can take. And yeah, because otherwise I'm not really trying to do any DoorDash right now. For me, my bigger concern is putting too many miles on my car. My car is rather expensive, and I don't want to put on too many miles onto my car. You know, I do value my car almost quicker than I do make money on DoorDash. This car cost me $42,000 freaking dollars, and I didn't buy it to DoorDash. I bought it to tow around my circus stage, and it's been about a year and a half since we've done any shows. But anyways, if you guys are in the Reno, Tahoe area, you want to come see the show that I'm performing in, it's called Viva Le Cirque. Le is L-E, just so you know, so Viva Le Cirque. Performing in that show for until like June 28th or so. So that's at the Grand Sierra Resort in Reno. If you guys want to see the show, comment down below. I'll get you free complimentary tickets. Anyways, it's a pretty dope show, I gotta be honest. I'm doing the trampoline wall act and the BMX act, and we are pulling up to Walmart right here. I'm parked at these little thingy-mabobs, so I gotta call them real quick. Maybe I'll do the call with you guys. All I get is Walmart orders when I'm here, because Walmart is across the street from my hotel, so all I get is Walmart orders, because there's so many damn Walmart orders. I have not done a Walmart order in so long because I don't live even remotely close to a Walmart in Las Vegas. So when I'm doing dashes in Las Vegas, I never get Walmart orders because there is like no Walmart near me. And hopefully this order doesn't take long. Last time it was pretty quick from how long I parked here and got the order and stuff. Maybe they won't answer. There's literally no one here. I'm the only person here right now.
Hello, there's one more pickup.
Hello, I'm here picking up a DoorDash order for Jessica P. I'm at stall 6.
Okay, we'll have it out for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, excuse me? Oh my god, I just realized this order is not going to be ready for 25 minutes. I think I'm going to cancel it. I think I'm going to be that guy and cancel it. I don't think I have 25 minutes to waste. I don't know what I would talk to you guys for 25 minutes about, you know? Like, this video is already dragging on. 25 minutes. Ugh. Be right back. Alright, you want to know something really embarrassing? I just called Walmart to get an update on this order for Jessica, and I accidentally called Jessica and was like, hey, do you know how long this order is going to take? And she's like, this is Jessica. I was like, oh, that's embarrassing. Alright guys, I canceled it. I just realized there was 140 items on that freaking order. 140! What in the world? I am not delivering 140 items. I did my research. I looked, I was like, alright, maybe I'll do it still. But 140 items, it was 141 to be exact. 141 items. Do you know how much space that would take? Do you know how many times I would have to, like, how many trips I would probably have to make from Walmart for $9.25? No, I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm such a bad dasher, guys. I gotta be honest. This is why I don't do Walmart orders. Walmart orders suck because there's so many items. Like, I was like, oh, that's a pretty good order, you know, $9.25 for, not when there's, okay, not for one, not when you have to wait 25 minutes, and not, like, they should have had the order, like, DoorDash should figure that out to where the order is ready sooner to the time that they, like, send the dasher there, you know? I'm not trying to wait 30 minutes for a freaking order. Like, who knows if that would even be done in time. Like, 141 items, nope, not doing it. I'm a horrible dasher. I don't give a crap. I'm not doing it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna drive to Best Buy. I'm sorry, guys, I let you down, and some people probably really hate that I'm such a horrible dasher, but I never claimed to be a good DoorDash driver. I remember when I was arguing with the Decline Now people back in, like, March or something like that, they would talk about how crappy of a dasher I was. And it's true. I'm not a good dasher. I never said I was a good dasher. Like, I'm not bad, though. Oh, $3 order from freaking... Oh my God, $3 for 7 miles. That's horrible. Anyways, I never said I was a good dasher. I'm good with money, good with fitness and stuff. So if you guys, later today, so I'm actually interviewing Chad, the gig economist. Later today, we're going to be doing a live stream, which means that by the time this video comes out, that video is already up. So if you guys want to check out that interview, I'm going to consult with Chad about his fitness. Of course, we're going to talk about the gig stuff, but I'm going to give him like a full prescribed diet and workout plan. And for those of you who don't know, I've been a licensed personal trainer since 2010. I just personally don't do it anymore. Like, I make way more money doing other things, so personal training, it's just something I kind of do for fun. And wait, check this out. Bam! This is horrible. Look it. That's my show. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the commercial, because that freaking commercial plays everywhere. It's so cool, and I have like 4 clips. I'm pretty sure the screen was blurry when I was doing tricks, but yeah, that commercial plays everywhere, all over Reno. It's so cool to be like, hey, look, there's me. Anyways, so I was just being that guy who's like, yo, that's me, check it out. Anyways, so what was I talking about? Man, I got bad memory. It's gonna be a long... Oh, so I'm talking to Chad, the gig economist. I'm gonna prescribe him a diet and a nutrition and like workout plan, as I would do for a client when I was like personal training. I used to work for Gold's Gym in LA for years, and maybe not years. I think it was probably around a year or so that I worked for Gold's Gym, and I hated, like, you have to kind of like, in order to sell personal training, you have to like stand around and watch people work out, and then like go up to people and be like, hey, you're doing this wrong, let me show you how to do it better, and then you should pay me like $90 an hour to train. Like, I just didn't like it, you know. I didn't like doing that. I felt like kind of like predatorial, waiting for people to do stupid stuff, and like I just didn't like selling to people working out. Because when you work out, you kind of want to go to the gym and like mind your own business and work out. You don't want a personal trainer telling you what you're doing wrong. And the problem was, I was only making $20 an hour when I was training, and I was charging $75 an hour. Not cool, Gold's Gym. Not cool. Anyway, so that's why I don't personal train anymore. I just enjoy doing it, and I'm obviously very athletic. I'm a professional athlete. I perform in circus shows for a living and stuff. So I got some good tips and advice, and I've been surrounded by lots of... So bummy, it's probably like so crappy to hear me. I've been around like Olympic athletes and X Games gold medalists and all kinds of like really high level athletes, so I have a very unique perspective on fitness and stuff. So anyway, so basically what I'm going to do is give him a diet plan and all that stuff, and hopefully he sees some results from it. Anyway, so we're about 1 mile from Best Buy. I'll be right back. Alright, just picked up a Subway order, and also Para is helping me out again. So it's only 50 cents more than advertised, but so look, check this out real quick. I was in Best Buy for the last 20 minutes, and all I needed was a freaking HDMI cable. I didn't even know that. I actually don't have one with me, so I had to get one anyways. Look, Doordash tells me it's $7. Para tells me it's $8. Yeah, Para, thank you. Thank you for helping me. I would have taken the order anyways, because it's only a 2-mile drive and it delivers to a house. So it's a good order anyway. So basically we only got to drive 2 miles. Pretty stoked. Yeah, I didn't realize I needed only an HDMI cable for doing this. Otherwise I would have tried it a long time ago. But hopefully it works, because I don't really know, but the smart dude in the Geek Squad from Best Buy said that that's all I needed. So anyways, be right back when we get this Subway order. Got the order. That took a long time. I got here at 3:10 and it is 3:31 right now, which means that I sat in that store for freaking 21 minutes, if not longer. And I'm not gonna lie, it was a pretty productive 21 minutes. I paid all my bills. I posted for Off Axis, the footwear company. I probably swiped on like 100 plus girls on Tinder, and what else did I do? Yeah, I don't know. It was a good day, or a good 20 minutes or so. Anyway, so, and I also turned down about 3 other orders, all from Taco Bell, because they were all paying less than $5. So, god damn it, Doordash. Anyway, so basically we are on the way now. She only lives about 0.8 miles away, so we're gonna go do this order real quick. All right, and that is going to wrap up today's video. I need to go back to the GSR. We got UFC fights coming on pretty soon, and I gotta prep for this interview with Mr. Chad, the gig economist. And yeah, also I really gotta watch the UFC because Cody Garbrandt is fighting tonight, and I am super stoked about that one. So anyways, we made $8? Yeah, we made $8. Thank you again to got another order coming in for Chihuahua. I don't know, I'm not doing that. It's only $4. One more time, if you guys haven't yet, click on the Para link down below. Download the Para app if you guys want to get tip transparency and see the tips like I do. That way you know whether the order is going to be super good or if it's just going to be good, because they only hide the tips on the super good orders. But anyway, so if you want to be a cherry picker and know when the tips are coming in and they're good, like me, like see, look, I'm getting a notification from Para right now telling me there's a $1 tip. Screw you, person. Anyway, so click on that link down below, sign up. It's a great service. I enjoy it thoroughly. Of course, it possibly is against DoorDash terms of service, but so is a lot of other things that I do. So I don't really care, but if you guys are scared of getting deactivated, which you could be, but no one's been deactivated, so just throwing it out there, no one's been deactivated. So we can't really say, yeah, everyone's getting deactivated, because no one's been deactivated. Anyways, that being said, if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button for my YouTube channel. Help me out, support my channel, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. Hopefully you guys took something from this and actually learned something. Sometimes I get a little off topic, and I haven't done a daily dash all week because I've been performing pretty much every single day. So that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Also, make sure you guys go to offaxisacrobatics.com and use the discount code OFFAXISTanner for 30% off. Get yourself some of my shoes. The shoes are dope. I wear them every day, all day long. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to stop rambling. Peace.